You can see from a very distance here, a long distance, many labor work in their crop field, many farmer work their crop field. When I zoom it, you can see that there and there. This is the village area. This is a primary activity done here by farmer. This is not urban area. This is the primary agriculture area. This is the village area, and this is the region, paddy region in rainy season. And June, July, August, September, this is the rainy season, and this is the paddy crop. So this is the crop season of paddy, and every farmer planting rice here. And this is the plant 3-4 months. After 4 months, he prepared 120 days after. And this is the removing grass season. Almost all plant done, all paddy plant done, cropping, planting done, and that is the time come to remove this grass. So I will come tomorrow, and you can see that there is the many cloud in the sky, and that is the rosewood tree. You can see that on the Chak Road, and this is the ridge of this my crop field. And left side you can see very dense forest vegetation. You can see actually there is the canal, and a ridge of canal, that is vegetation grow and origin there. You can see that many dense rosewood here, locally called sisam. And this is the primary activity area. This is the agriculture region of my village. And in India, this is the Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has the largest agriculture area in India, because this is the Ganga and river and its tributary plain. Gandak river flow just 100 kilometers from here. Gandak is the river of the tributary of the Ganga river, and many river Ghagra flow from here. West of here, from the Ghagra from here to 300 kilometers from here. And this is the Domat region, Bangar region. This is the Bangar region. Old soil here, old alluvial soil here, deposited by the in Pleistocene age. In Pleistocene age, they are deposited by the river here, and this is the plain developed by the in Pleistocene age. Pleistocene period by the Ganga and its tributary.